In this video, I will show you how to fix if your Steam games are downloading really slow. So with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are on the Steam app. You can use the web-based version if you want to. The steps are the same, so it's all down to personal preference. Now, in order to do this, what you're going to want to do once you're logged in is come up to the top left-hand corner and press onto Steam. Next, come down and press onto settings, and that's going to open up a window like this. And from here, you want to come to this menu on the left-hand side and press onto downloads. Now, what you want to do is make sure your download region is set to the right region. So you want to make sure the region is where you're located. And also you want to make sure that this limit download speed button is turned off. If this is enabled, it's going to limit the download speed. So you want to make sure this is disabled. And the final thing you want to do is make sure that you turn on the option to allow downloads during gameplay to make sure this continues downloading. And of course, even though it's going to be slower whilst you're playing games, it's still going to continue to download. At this point, I would also recommend clearing your download cache, which is down here. You just want to press the button to clear the cache, as if your cache is quite full, this can cause issues with slow downloads. So that's how to go ahead and fix if your download speed is slow when downloading games. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.